Alright, so I came up with this silly little idea in my head of how to make this, like, cheese bread recipe. So, first you need to grab 2 pieces of bread. I'm a little slow here. It's kind of difficult to pick up bread whilst holding a camera in one hand. And then you want to put it in the toaster. It doesn't matter if you put it in the regular toaster or the toaster that prints Star Wars designs on it. Either toaster works. And then you let it toast. After that, I would recommend you grab a plate so that you have something to put the bread onto. It doesn't matter how big the plate is, as long as it's big enough to hold 2 slices of bread, it should work. And I'm gonna stop recording for a little bit so I can get the toast out safely. Alright, screw it, I guess I'm using tongs today. So yeah, as I was saying, you wanna just, like, lift the toast out of the toaster. Oh crap. Okay, there. Lift the toast out of the toaster. Lift both pieces of toast out of the toaster, to be clear. And then sit them down on your plate. Now we're gonna need a couple of ingredients here, I suppose. Hi, Boobin. Now, you're gonna need to get some mozzarella cheese. This is probably where the recipe is gonna fail, but that's fine. And then, why am I covering the camera? And then you're gonna want to get some butter. I should really put these things down in 2 different goes. I can't hold all that crap while holding the camera. But yeah, grab your butter, whatever butter you want. And then, okay, so yeah, shut the fridge so that Dad doesn't yell at me, which is always important. And then, I think that one at the top is garlic salt. I'm not sure which one is garlic salt, but you're gonna want to grab the one that's garlic salt. Not like I know which one is garlic salt, but I'm sure I know which one is garlic salt. Yeah, see, it says garlic salt. I know what I'm doing. I'm smart. Then you're gonna want to thoroughly spread the butter first, and you can't be like, you can't be resourceful with this. You need to spread a good amount of butter, enough to sort of glue the cheese down. And then after you got a good enough amount of butter down, which you probably don't, you can put down all the cheese. And after that, put down the garlic salt. Now, I sort of decided last minute that I was going to put it in the microwave, which in hindsight was not a good idea. The plan was to make the cheese melt a little bit so that it would look cool, but it really just ended up liquefying all the butter, which wasn't good. I hadn't done this before, so I was low-key expecting it to just burst into flames right then and there, and then I would be narrating over this, and I would be like, well, there goes my toast. There goes my house. Hopefully my parents had fire insurance. But no, it was all fine. I mean, it wasn't fine. The food was not great. But I don't know. I guess I'm alive, so yeah, maybe it was a success. I don't know. Is this an insult to the Italians, or is this a half-decent idea?